Sing sang tai tai leho. My name is Gladys. I'm 41. I'm from Oriental Mindoro, Philippines. I am married. I have one son aged 21 and one daughter aged 18. My highest educational attainment is high school. My hobbies are cooking and cleaning. And I am a pet lover. I have a cat. My expertise are cooking and cleaning. I work as a domestic helper to one family for 2 years and 1 month from April 16, 2023 to May 22, 2025. I serve one couple and 4 children ages 16, 14, 8, and 2. My duties are cooking, cleaning, doing laundry, ironing, and sometimes taking good care of a 2-year-old baby. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn and save money for my family and for the education of my children. I'm willing to taking good care of elderly and a newborn baby. I can sing a nursery song like Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. To my future employer, Ma'am and Sir, please choose me because I am hardworking, honest, obedient, and kind. I promise to prioritize my job, and I promise to finish my 2 years contract and or more. Thank you, Ma'am and Sir. I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible. Thank you.